Hi everyone, welcome to Sunroom, and this is a introduction to the swing robot. And for the example, we're using the 2020 FLL map. Right now we're going to do the traffic control mission and how to complete it. We have the slow motion of the video, and you can see that this very simple attachment can actually finish up this mission. But you have to be careful that after you lift the components up, it's actually going to bounce back, so we have to stabilize it. So you have to make sure you fully clear it and then move backwards with your robot. So you have to stabilize everything first with your robot and then move on. You do not want to be too hasty with everything. For this series of attachments, we actually use a very easily detachable method of building. So now you can actually see the way we build these. And here's the attachment slide where you can see all the attachments and components needed to build this attachment. It's actually very simple, but you must make sure that everything is placed correctly. Otherwise, you might have some misinputs or some malfunctions with the robot because of the positioning of everything. Now this is the completed attachment. Afterwards, you can actually try attaching this loop to the treehouse, and we actually use the frontal pad of the robot attachment, and then we just cleanly loop it on and then pull out our attachment. So now is the full demonstration of everything. As you can see, it completely pulls off the swing. And thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Please subscribe and leave a like. We'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you for watching.